How to find out upcoming events and concert on Ticketmaster. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you the ways to find out about upcoming event and concert on Ticketmaster. First of all, you can go ahead and open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in ticketmaster.co.uk. It's going to take you to the official page, and over here you can see the information. So first of all, you need to select the location. Press the arrow icon and then select where you're actually residing currently, and for what sort of event and for which country or for which place you're looking for the event or upcoming event. When you've done selecting your address or the location, now you can go by this field that says search by artist, event or venue. Try to select the date as well, and when you select the date, click the apply button and then go to the section that says search by artist, event or venue, and then look for the artist or the event, what sort of thing that comes to your mind. When you look for it, then you can go and click on find ticket located right at the bottom, and you can just filter your result, all sort of things, and that's basically how you can find out about the upcoming event and concert on Ticketmaster. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.